What a delightful day it has been, filled with laughter, learning, and lots of love from our adorable kindergartners. The stage then lit up with performances from our enthusiastic KG students. LKGA kick-started the event with a thought-provoking roleplay, "If I get lost, what should I do?" teaching children how to handle unfamiliar situations. This was followed by joyful rhymes from LKGB, filling the hall with music and cheer. LKGC captured everyone's attention with Life Beyond Mobile, reminding us how screen time can affect young eyes. Next, an energetic action song was presented by our pre-KGC kids, filled the hall with joy. UKGA performed a lively skit on safety on road, underlining the importance of traffic rules. Adding more energy, pre-KGB children presented a peppy action song. Then pre-KGA students performed the lively Tamil action song Parthipo Thambi with great enthusiasm. Next, UKGB educated us through a skit on electrical safety and a gentle rhyme on good touch and bad touch. Ivana Hazel from UKGC gave a confident and informative speech on food safety, promoting healthy habits. And finally, UKGC wrapped up their part with a colorful dance to Unave Marundu, celebrating nutritious food. To make the day extra special, our Vice Principal, Miss Indu, shared warm birthday wishes and teachers gifted birthday cards and sapling, a meaningful gesture of love and growth. The vote of thanks was delivered beautifully by Dia Stefano from LKGC, followed by a fun DJ session that had all our little stars dancing with joy. Truly, it was a heartwarming day filled with smiles, learning, and memories to cherish forever.